So this is the Huron 5-axis double column, continuous 5-axis double column machine. The KX100 model is there.
Yeah.
This has got a universal fork type head, which is having the C-axis and the A-axis rotational. It is made for a big fabrication part, high structure aerospace components with a high accuracy and high precision.
Yeah. You can also fit a turning table on this.
We can also interface as per the
Turning
requirement.
table.
As per the
And it
requirement.
can be interfaced with the machine after.
It can be added with the machine.
And the control comes here.
The control comes here.
Okay.
It's a HEIDENHAIN controller. We have the Siemens option also.
Yeah. Okay, you have the Siemens and HEIDENHAIN
And
both.
both options are available with this machine.
Okay. And this is the Huron technology.
This is the complete design of Huron.
Huron. But totally manufactured in India. Totally manufactured in
Now
India.
we have.
But you get something, the controller from Huron.
The controller is already imported either from HEIDENHAIN Germany
Yeah.
or the Siemens Germany under the 5-axis license. And we have made these machines at both ends in Huron Grafenstaden as well as in Jyoti Rajkot.
Okay.
Now, Huron Grafenstaden is a 100% subsidiary of Jyoti CNC Automation. And now we have demonstrated this particular high-end technology machine here in EMO exhibition. But APC can be interfaced from 40 tools up to 120 tools.
And for the Siemens, you get the Silo, the touch screen type Silo.
Yeah, the Cinematic one is the model. Cinematic one for the 5-axis with the license.
Yeah, looks good.